It's because of the ceiling being curved, right? This is already going all the way it can from that base, right? So, I mean, is it a little off? Yeah, I do see what you're saying, but that is also the furthest they can go, because if you look, it's already hitting the base, right? And that's because of the way the ceiling is. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna let's proceed to the master, and then when we come back, we'll kind of continue this stuff. First thing, a couple things we're going to be checking is we'll walk over to test all the windows and make sure all the doors are closing properly, not any door jams. So that's what we'll be checking right now.
Check the door from the surgery.
Yes, sir. We'll make sure it's not inside. Is it latch? Okay. So this door right here is actually missing. We do have the hardware, but we're missing the strike plates. Okay. So we'll put that in the report real quick. We're missing strike plates here.
So what we do is we'll drill the arrow. That would get their attention and look up.
And then remember, we do have with a two-story home, meaning we're going to have two thermostats, right? This is going to be your downstairs thermostat that controls the entire first floor, and of course we should have this. We'll find it somewhere upstairs. It's a regular thermostat. We've all used thermostats before. The only difference is it's going to be a touch screen instead of having the buttons, and also this is Wi-Fi capable. So once you have Wi-Fi, we can actually use this from our phone as well. Okay. Yep. And then smoke detectors. Let's just mention that before. I'm glad I saw that. So we're going to put a green X there because that's definitely a texture issue there. So we'll just put a green X. Don't see the texture. But smoke detectors, we have two separate kinds. We have a regular smoke in the bedrooms, smoking carbon monoxide outside the bedrooms. Remember, they're all connected together. So if one smoke detector goes off, it's going to alert all of them, right? They do each have batteries as backup in case we lose electricity in the home. It is advised to keep the batteries.
All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hope y'all are doing well, guys. Hope y'all are doing well, guys. This is Paula, DFW's favorite realtor, and today is orientation day with the builder for my veteran family. Right? They built this beautiful, beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bath home. It has the 3-car garage. She's absolutely gorgeous. And so today is the orientation day with the builder. Oops. Right. Still got a lot of the trades here. Right. When the builder does your orientation for your home is, anywhere from 95% done, right? It's all designed for the clients to learn how the home operates, right? It's designed to for the owners to learn how their home operates, right? And it's also a time for us to note any deficiencies that the builder may have. Normally, your orientation is maybe a week or two before the closeout, about a week, 7 to 10 days before the closeout of your home. All right, so they got the 3-car garage. You can see they're still doing some painting, right? The painting is not gonna affect, the orientation, right? We'll note those kind of things, but again, it's about 95% done. All right, landscape is all in. All right, got some. Come back around you. Go on, girl, represent. Got some lady painters. It's a wonderful floor plan. They have 2 up and 2 down. Right, so here's the first bedroom. 2 up and 3, 2 down and 3 up. Right, this one's gonna have the game room, the media room. Right, it's 2-story. Right, this is the type of builder they were able to pick out color packages to get the colors that they want. All right, so they wanted white cabinets. This is a premium builder, so you're gonna have built-in appliances. They're still waiting for that oven drawer down below. All right, it's a gas community. All right now they're running the dishwasher cycle now to make sure that she's working efficiently. All right, there's that drawer over there. They took it out temporarily to do some things in it. All right, this one's gonna have a great mud bench. All right, mud benches are great for you to put your bags, your purses, backpacks, things like that when you come home from work. All right, and it's right here by this garage. So the family will enter from the garage. All right, then here's your laundry room. All right, a really nice laundry room with shelves. Notice they match the kitchen. All right. One of the things about new construction, your electricity, all of your, your wiring, it's always going to be inside. Another good thing about new construction, this is going to be the water shut off, right? Instead of having it at the curb in traditional communities and new communities, they have a place inside for you to be able to turn your water off in the event of emergency. So that's always good. Really nice open floor plan. The master has really tall ceilings.
We're putting an arrow. We're tall, but not that far. We just put a little arrow pointed towards that one. Yes.
So guys, these gentlemen, they are a third party home inspection that this builder hires to do quality assurance and to check their work, right? So they hired this company to come and do the walkthrough of the house to make sure the home is up to standards for the clients. And so that's one of the best things about builders like this. They hire. I can see some things up here. I can't get up there, but we'll be going up there in a little bit. They still have some trim work to do on this fireplace.
So with this, speaking from experience, definitely use this normal, but if you have children, don't let them get aggressive with this. This is held by a magnet, right? So once the magnet comes undone, no latch back on, but it'll never be the same, right? But as long as we use it normally, we shouldn't have a problem, right? this too when you're training, who does that. So any texture problems that we see, if you see them close, take 6 feet back.
Okay.
If it's not noticeable after 6 feet, it's usually something the builders are going to be like, well, that's good. Even if it, yeah. That's usually the rule of thumb that the builders use. So that's what we tell the buyers. So the fireplace is working. As we can see, I have it on right now. This is the switch to control it. Okay, so let's turn it off because we want to talk about it for a bit. In case you want to actually shut the system off, or so the kids don't play with it, we can actually shut it off underneath. If you look to the bottom left of the fireplace, there's a red lever. It's running the same direction as the line behind it. That means the gas is on. That's your gas shut off. If you want to shut it off, just a perpendicular turn to cross from the line running, that would be off.
And it's on one
Shut off.
no.
Right. Now, also, keep in mind it runs off electricity here, right? So, in the event that we lose power to your home, right? But we can't, because we have two little box here for batteries. Right. They're going to give you all the instruction booklets at closing, so you can read all over that. But this fireplace does have the capability for you to put the batteries in there. The batteries is just enough to pilot the fire, right? Because remember, as I said, it's a pilot, the gas will kick in and turn it on. So it'll be a nice feature in case we ever lose power for a storm or something. And then, of course, this is going to be all cleaned off. I like to just leave this off to remind us.
For y'all the back.
Big ass on here. So I don't leave that off.
They have a really great patio with a ceiling fan. Right? Do y'all notice all of the weeds that are growing? I'm not going to step down there because it's wet. Do y'all notice all the weeds that are growing? And that's why when you get your home, a new construction home, that first year you really want to make sure you treat it for weeds because, right, this was just raw land just a short while ago. And so when the builder comes and plants your grass, you're still going to have these weeds growing. So you'll have to treat it to make sure that they stay back. Right? A really great backyard. Is it wet? Yeah, it's wet because the builder has to really soak your water, your grass. It's Texas right now, so it's hotter than hot. So they have to really saturate your grass to get it to take. So I'm not going to go out. I'm not going to go out there.
So I can't see from here, but when we see it upstairs, I'll see where it's at, and we'll put the X underneath it.
Off the line. Yeah, okay. Do you have a visual? Get a little bit
Right here, I just want to remind you that this is where the smart house is. Okay. It's probably going to call you again, right? So when they come install it, this is the location where it will be installed.
You mentioned this, what you call it?
Smurf tube.
Smurf tubes. When are you gonna do that?
Well, actually, let's put that request and put it in. Yeah, because you got the speakers.
Yeah, I paid for the speakers. I don't see them.
Okay, so you got the media package, right?
Yeah, well, no, I got from upstairs.
Oh, the media room. Okay,
But I
okay.
did buy a Smurf tube.
Okay, but the speakers in the living room, no? Just one. Okay.
Yeah.
The reason I ask is because typically when I see that it's still covered like this is good for you to remember. Typically when you see that it's still covered like this, this is how they're going to leave it. The only time I see the Smurf tube exposed where you have it set up for you is when the whole media package is included. And that's when you have the speakers and all the controls for the media package. I'm still going to put in the report there, but I'm just letting you know that If they don't do it, they might tell you it's because, well, you don't have the media package in the living room.
Yeah, but I purchased, I added the smoke.
Oh, just okay. All right, so we'll put this under homeowner comments as a reminder, and then they'll be notated. So fire state, yeah, this smoke too, right? Obviously, the smoke two's already active. What's the Facebook?
Okay, so we have a game room and a media room. All right, notice this is the media room. Builder's still working on the framing on this one. I have a really great, they wanted the game room, the media room. All right, and what husband's gonna do is he's gonna make this bedroom over here their home office. They're gonna do this as the home office. All right, they'll be getting blinds. Again, it's quite a few things that have not been done. And so the builder will come back and do that before closing. Right before closing, we'll have a final walkthrough. We'll make sure everything has been done. So upstairs we have 3 bedrooms. This is going to lead to the attic. Here's bath number 3. Bath number 3. All right, and then we have bedrooms 4 and 5 and bath number 4 here. Double closets, right? This builder's going to maximize the closet space and give you a big walk-in closet. Notice this one has the dual sinks because it's shared between these 2 bedrooms. All right, so 4 full baths, 5 bedrooms, game room, and a media room. Phew. Nice window.
There you go. I still counting money.
So here we have some floor damage.
Where's the secret? Oh, yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Shower head's not complete yet.
So again, guys, just wanted to let y'all see a little bit of this journey. We'll be here. This builder's going to give us about 1.5 hours, 2 hours for this visit. Just wanted to kind of bring y'all along and see this portion of the home buying process. Very, very important step in the home buying process. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great one. Bye.